It's like a dinosaur, one of those dinosaurs that go all the way up with the head.
Buddy, that's a cool tree, huh?
Is it really?
Yeah.
Tree.
Look, broken trees right here, bud. Look, they all broken. See a broken tree?
It's gonna be a botanist. Landscape.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Maybe just ran off and never saw me again.
There's too many of us now. He'll come every time because there's a flock of us. He's like the little duck that's in the water.
I know.
Going away.
You're not allowed to come this way.
A tree.
Oh, we're not? Oh, there it is over there.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, we're not allowed to go this way. We're supposed to go like
No, we can
this
go
way.
anyway. No, we can go. I was saying they
Oh.
can't come in there.
Oh, come on, hon.
No, you have to hold my hand. There's cars coming.
The tickets. Mama.
It's on your phone, you said, right?
Gotta watch for cars, okay? We gotta watch for cars.
And it's cool, G?
Okay. Let's go this way.
Go to it.
This way. Wow, look at the statue, buddy. See a statue? This way. Come on. Cars are this way. Cars are coming. We gotta go this way, Mama. Come on. This way.
Hold one hand.
See cars? See cars? Look, big cars. Look. Yeah. Come on, baby.
Do you have them? Okay, good. Very good.
Window 4.
Jason.
All right, you're all set with that. Masks are required. Next guest at window 4. Okay.
That's wrong with the roof again. Thanks.
Go with her.
Okay. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And this one over
Would you be
here.
able to enlarge your barcodes for me, please?